lava. Yeah, they're fine, apparently. Some of the dinosaurs seem to have survived unfettered.
Like those ones in the water.
Yeah.
And those guys on the mountain. Like those guys. Definitely.
Didn't go well for them.
Yeah, definitely dead. Except for their tail. I'm just kidding. Yep. Those two need some.
Watch out for multiple eruptions. Thought I put enough baking soda in there for that.
So why does it do that, honey?
I should kill those guys.
Why do vinegar and baking soda react?
Acid mixes with base. It's a violent thing.
It's more pinkish than, I was thinking of like red, orange, and yellow for the lava.
It's hard to do.
Oh, yeah, but put more in so it kills those two.
Why don't you lift it, Jeremy?
Lift it up.
This way.
They picked a good spot to hang out, apparently.
This way.
There it goes. It's starting to go that way now.
Yeah, they didn't choose. This guy's starting to move. Alright, this guy sort of burnt a little bit this way. The other way. Boring. Stop getting these guys.